So in the first three aphorisms, we have seen mission, how the cure should be, and what the knowledge is should be with the physician. Now in the fourth aphorism, are you able to see the aphorism on the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
in the fourth aphorism, physician has explained who is the preserver of, Dr. Haniman has explained who is the preserver of health. So the preserver of health, he is the one person who know ki which thing deranges the health and that causes the disease. That thing is nothing but the vital force. That vital force is deranged because of the certain causes, exciting cause, or it may be the maintaining cause. And again with that, he should know how to remove this cause from the person's body. So he should know the technique how to remove it, and that technique or the weapon that we are using, that is the our medicines, our similar medicines. So who is the preserver of health? 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन ये आता है, who is the preserver of health?
Physician.
Physician. What qualities he should have to preserve the health?
he should know
Knowledge
how to fix the deranged vital force,
Hmm.
how to
knowledge
fix the
of disease.
deranged which is permanent.
Hmm.
How knowledge of causes.
Knowledge of disease indication, knowledge of medicinal
Knowledge
powers.
of medicinal
Knowledge of
power.
posology.
Yes. So all these knowledges which are given in the aphorism number 3, he should know, and he should know how to use that weapon, that is our medicine, without any disturbance in the patient's body. So he will be likewise a preserver of health. In the fifth aphorism, he has given the certain causes of the disease, that is useful to the physician in assisting him to cure, are the particulars of the most probable, that is the exciting cause. ये आपको दिख रहा है क्या? Please remove this window away from the shared application.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
मग
ma'am.
आता हे कसं
yes,
रिमूव्ह,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हे रिमूव्ह कसं करू? ये विंडो रिमूव ही नहीं हो रही है लेकिन.
तो मैम त्यावर
मैम आपके बैक साइड पे कोई विंडो ओपन है क्या? ये जो मतलब ये विंडो के अलावा बैक साइड पे कोई विंडो ओपन है?
नहीं रे, चेक करू क्या मिनिमाइज करके?
हाँ, मिनिमाइज करके एक बार चेक करो.
नाही नाही पण आता दिसत नाहीये.
दिसतंय
दिसतंय.
दिसता है वो
दिसतंय.
हल्का हल्का डिसअपियर होता है फिर वापस आ जाता है.
लेकिन मैंने सब विंडो क्लोज कर दिए हैं. इसमें क्या कॉपी है? नहीं, कुछ भी तो नहीं है अभी. ठीक है. So what is the exciting cause? The exciting cause is related to the acute disease. जैसे बारिश आ गई, you will have the cold and cough. If you eat the ice cream, you will have the pharyngitis. If you are taking the outside food, which is not possible nowadays, so you may have diarrhea, you may have the constipation. So these are the exciting causes which excites your immunity, which excites your susceptibility to cause the disease. That is the exciting cause which is responsible for the acute disease. And acute disease की definition मैंने आपको दी है. So this is your second question. What is the acute disease? What is chronic disease? And what is subacute disease? On the basis of what we are deciding that this type of disease is acute and this type of disease is a chronic one. I have given the explanation previously. So this is your second question. Write the definition of acute, chronic and subacute disease, and on the basis of what we are deciding that this is acute and this is chronic. So this exciting cause is responsible for the acute disease. By taking the whole history, we can decide the fundamental cause. So fundamental causes कौन से हैं which are responsible for chronic disease? What are the fundamental causes? We have completed causes of disease. पूजा ओझरकर ने मुझे क्वेश्चन डाला था, वो क्वेरी डाली थी, याद है आपको? In the month of May or June, I think so. From the Kent philosophy, we have completed causes of disease.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the fundamental causes of disease? Fundamental means what? What is the literal meaning of fundament? What are the fundamental causes for chronic disease? What are the causes?
Miasms.
Miasms. What are the 3 miasms which are responsible for the chronic disease?
Sora, syphilis.
Sora, psychosis, and
Sora, psychosis, and syphilis.
Very good. Which disease is caused because of the Sora?
skin diseases, skin
Yes.
infections, eruptions,
Right. So where?
non-virulent,
Venereal.
Virulent diseases.
Venereal.
non-venereal,
Okay.
venereal diseases.
Yes. Where only the functional changes are there. It may not be a skin disease. It may be the organic change, but it should be at the functional level. It should not be a structural overgrowth. वहाँ पे नहीं होनी चाहिए और वहाँ पे degeneration या destruction of tissues भी नहीं होने चाहिए. So that is belongs to Sora. What is psychosis?
Madam, it is
Sorry. हाँ.
this because of मतलब it is the root cause of sexually transmitted diseases.
नहीं. It is a venereal miasm. But how you can identify that this is psychosis?
Overgrowth is occurs.
Yes, outgrowth will be there. Any example of outgrowth?
Cyst.
Anybody can give the example of psychotic miasm?
Ma'am, there is a small
कोणते पण outgrowth, it may be the outgrowth of bone, it may be the outgrowth of any skin eruption. कधी कधी कोणाचा extra bone असतं वाढलेलं.
मॅडम ते cauliflower like
growth, right?
cauliflower like structures तयार होतात.
बरोबर. So anywhere in the body.
ते मग हातावरती असतील किंवा कधी कधी.
तुम्ही सोमण सरांच्या हातावर पाहिलाय का?
नाही मॅम.
आता कॉलेजमध्ये आले की बघाल. सो कधी कधी कोणाचं हाड वाढतं, कधी कोणाचं नाकाचं हाड वाढतं, कधी हाताचं एखादं बोन वाढलेलं असतं. इट मे बी द सायकोटिक मायझम. सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ ओव्हर ग्रोथ, एक्स्ट्रा ग्रोथ जी होते, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द सायकोटिक मॅनिफेस्टेशन. अँड सिफिलिस मीन्स इट इज अगेन अ venereal miasm, but it is related to the destruction of the tissue. जहाँ पे पूरा डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है. नाउ द पेशेंट इज इन द लास्ट कंडीशन, द ऑर्गन इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, दैट इज द सिफिलिटिक माइजम. सो सोरा इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल माइजम्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज कोई भी डिसीज एकदम डिस्ट्रक्शन से शुरू नहीं होगा. द डिसीज विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फंक्शनल लेवल. इफ इट इज नॉट ट्रीटेड प्रॉपरली or it is not treated at all, then it is converted into the psychotic miasm. तो धीरे 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 वाइटल फोर्स आपको बताते जाएगा कि नाउ आई एम डिरेंजिंग, आई एम इन अ ट्रबल. सो फ्रॉम सोरा देन इट इज ट्रांसफर इनटू द साइकोसिस. सो क्वेश्चन आता है 5 मार्क्स के लिए कि सोरा इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल मायजम्स और सोरा इज द फंडामेंटल मायजम. तो उसके लिए आंसर यही लिखना है बाय गिविंग द प्रॉपर एग्जांपल्स. क्लियर? So the fundamental cause, that is the Sora, syphilis and psychosis, they are related to the chronic diseases. which are generally due to the chronic miasms. So all these are the chronic miasms. In this investigation, the ascertainable physical constitution of the patient. So whenever you are taking a case, it may be the acute case or it may be the chronic case. For the chronic miasm, what things you have to consider, that is the physical generals and the physical examination. So physical generals में क्या क्या points आप देखते हो during case taking?
age, sex,
Physical generals. Physical generals में which points you are considering?
Mode of living, diet,
Mode of living, how it is considered in the physical general? General means what? General means what?
appearance of the person.
नहीं,
Appearance of the person.
नहीं. What do you mean by general? पहले इसका आंसर दो फिर आपको समझेगा. What is general?
Generally what he does, like normally वो
What
कैसे
is the
करता है
meaning?
चीजें.
What is the meaning of general? Patient को
In
बाजू-
normal.
patient को बाजू में रखो. What is general?
normal,
Normal कसं general राहील?
Ma'am, general मतलब
Which is applicable to all.
all, yeah.
वल्लभ तुझा मागचा आवाज कमी कर. Which is applicable to general public बोलते हैं ना हम लोग.
हाँ ma'am.
So in that general public, the medical field is not included. The medical field is a different one. When you are considering a general public, you are treating a general public as a physician, right? So
yes,
in
ma'am.
our body, general means from head to foot, from your hairs to the nail of your toes. ये होगी पूरी अपनी general body. तो physical means which is related to your body. So from head to foot जो आप consider करोगे, that is from the lacrimation है क्या, उसका thirst कैसी है, उसकी appetite कैसी है, उसका digestion कैसा है, उसके बाद how he is taking the water for the bathing, how he is whether he is taking the covering or not, whether he is a chilly or hot patient.